I'm Dr. Sundar Singh, Department of Zoology, Day PG College, Dehradun. My present day PPT topic is the pituitary gland. About its location and structure, this gland is present below the brain and over the mouth cavity in a cavity of sphenoid bone. This cavity known as sella turcica. It is similar to the large size of pea seed, and this one is grey in color, and its weight is 5 to 6 milligram in case of male. And then second, about its development, its originate dual. Anterior pituitary is derived from the roof of mouth cavity, while the posterior pituitary is derived from the down growth of the brain. Between these two lobes there is another lobe. This one is middle lobe, which is rudimentary in case of human being but most active in cold-blooded animal. Anterior pituitary. This anterior pituitary is made up of three parts, like pars tuberalis, pars distalis and pars intermedia. Pars distalis is the main part, which forms 75% of total pituitary, and this part secretes all the hormones of anterior pituitary. Main hormone are: number one, this one is growth hormone, which control body growth. By the deficiency of growth hormone in childhood, a disease called dwarfism, in which body growth is stunted, and in adult stage, overgrowth of growth hormone called, this one is gigantism, in which length of the body increased. Then second hormone, TSH, means thyroid stimulating hormone. This hormone control growth and activity of thyroid gland, which is situated in the neck region. It controls the synthesis of T3 and T4 hormone, which are the main hormones of the thyroid gland. And then next hormone is ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. This hormone controls the growth and activity of adrenal cortex. This cortex region secrete emergency hormone, which are required during physical stress and any emotional condition. And the next hormone is GTH, gonadotrophic hormone. It includes two hormones like FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, second LH, luteinizing hormone. Both hormones work on gonads, means testis and ovary. First, FSH. FSH in case of female control the formation of egg, and in case of male it stimulates the formation of sperm. And second, LH. LH in female produce second hormone, progesterone, and it also causes ovulation. Progesterone secrete pregnancy maintaining hormone. And second, in case of male, LH stimulates the secretion of testosterone hormone, which is the main sex hormone. And then next hormone is, this one is LTH. This hormone stimulates the growth and activity of mammary gland. During pregnancy, it stimulates the growth of mammary gland. And then next hormone is MSH, known as melanocyte stimulating hormone. This hormone control the color change of the skin, and this one is more active in the picothermic animal. In warm-blooded animal, this one is less developed. Thank you very much.